Hey friends, today I'm sharing how I deliver photos to my photography clients using Pixieset. Alright, so I'm basically just going to kind of walk you through how I deliver wedding photos in Pixieset, what my process is for that, how I organize all of it, and what my settings are so that my clients can easily go on and download, and also so I can get sales in the online shop in their gallery. So I'm going to jump right into that with you guys right now. And be sure to join the SK Photo Tribe Facebook group for photographers. It's in the description and we have a lot of fun in there.
One thing I also want to mention is that I have a link to Pixieset in the description. It is a referral link, so it'll give you guys extra bonus storage. It doesn't really do a whole lot for me, but I just want you guys to be able to try it and get some extra storage while you're at it. When you first open up Pixieset, you're going to have more of a dashboard right here, which is really nice because you can come down and look at all of your past galleries and look through them, which is amazing. So kind of how Pixieset works is you are going to want to create a new collection right here. So that's going to be like a new gallery that you make for your clients. So I'm just going to create something, a sample gallery for you right here. So let's just do their suggestion, Jesse and Ryan. Let's just say it's today. Sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and make that right here. And then it's going to pull up this. This is more of the back end of the gallery. So I'm going to kind of walk you through a few different things that are really good to know. So first of all, obviously you're going to click this photo or this button to add photos to the different collections that you have. And you can create different sets over here. So when I'm doing a wedding day, like this will typically be my favorites. Let's go ahead and do that. And then I'll do one like for getting ready. And then I'll make different sets for like the first or the bride and groom portraits. And then I'll do one for bridal party, do one for ceremony, and all of those different things. And it makes it super organized on the client's end, which is really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and just upload a few photos right here just so we can show you how to do some other things. Alright, and then once you have photos uploaded, what I like to do is click on Manage Collection. That's going to take you back to this page, and then you can sort your photos in different ways. I typically just sort name A through Z because they're already ordered in the way that I want them to when I'm doing like in the wedding gallery. So once you have photos uploaded like in different categories, you can come here and click Change Cover. This gives you some options for when your clients first open up the gallery and what it's going to look like. So it gives you a preview of what it's going to look like on a desktop, what it's going to look like on mobile, and then you have a bunch of different options here. So typically I like to do ones where like the text is on the left hand side or the right hand side or at the bottom or something, so it's not like right in the middle of the photo. It just kind of depends on what photo I'm using, and it's super nice just to be able to change all these different things. If you want to be able to change the photo, you have to go back to where your photos are, and then you click on a photo. You click More, and then Make Cover, which is really, really nice for being able to do that. Next, I'm going to show you some of the different settings that you're going to want to do. So under this little gear icon, that's going to be where you're going to want to change some settings. So I usually change in the collection settings. I go in here and I scroll down and I turn on Gallery Assist. This really helps the gallery to walk it through with my clients and show them how they're supposed to use the gallery without even me having to tell them. I do walk them through in the email I send to them, but this just is another way for them to be able to use the gallery really seamlessly and know how to use it and not really have any questions about it. So it's just really nice to be able to turn that on. And then I come down to download. And when you're under here, you go ahead, scroll down, you can do basically whatever you want. If you only deliver like web-sized images, you can uncheck all of these. I personally give all of my clients all of the high-resolution digital images. So I go ahead and I uncheck high resolution just because original is essentially high resolution. It's just kind of confusing. So I uncheck that, and then I turn on single photo download, and I go ahead and just make it the original. You can literally do whatever you want with this. It's whatever your preference is. That's just what I do for my settings. All of the other settings in here are pretty much just default, whatever I have it on. So for example, it's really nice because your clients can go in and make favorite folders. So if you want to go ahead and start a list for them, you can. I used to do this with albums until I got a cloud proofing system. You can use like the sharing settings, make sure they're turned on. With the store, this is where you're gonna want to make sure you have this on and make sure you have something set up, a price sheet set up. You do this by clicking the store icon up here, and then it walks you through how to do all of that. I personally use Pro DPI, and then I set my own prices with that. So basically when someone orders through the online gallery, they're fulfilling it for me. I'm not even having to do anything, which is really, really nice. Alright, so then once you're done setting all of this up, you just go ahead and publish your gallery. So then once you're in this page right here, you can use like their email thing you can use email templates, you can just send it directly from Pixieset. I opt to send a separate email and just get the direct link. So if you click this little button right here, it'll give you the direct link to the gallery and it'll give you the download pin people need to use to download the photos. If we go ahead and go back, you can preview what the gallery is going to look like on the client's end. So if you click view right here, it's going to open up a new window and you're going to be able to see what it looks like. So this is the gallery assist thing that I had turned on. It kind of walks them through how they're supposed to download and buy things, which is really nice. And then they could go to their gallery. So when they open it up, they just scroll down. All of the images will show up here. All of their different categories are right here. And then they can download by clicking this button. They can download individual photos by clicking this. They can order prints by clicking the little shop icon or favoriting different things. So overall, this is just a really quick way for me to send the high resolution digital images to my clients. I don't even send a USB anymore. I just tell them this gallery is going to be open for at least a year after their wedding. They can come on here, their friends and family can come on here and just download whatever images that they want, which is really, really nice, very efficient, super easy for my clients just to download images. This pulls up also on their phone, so they can just pull it up and download images, which is super awesome.
Okay friends, so let me know in the comments if you have any questions about how any of this works. I'd love to answer them for you guys. And be sure to hit subscribe. I can't wait to share more next week.